Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the concatenate function in Excel. Concatenate allows you to join text in multiple strings in one string. Like for example, we have the first name listed over here and the last name listed over here. With the concatenate function, we can join these two things. Like over here, the word Alan Jones is mentioned without any space. Here we have a space between the first and the last name. Here we have a first name, then a comma, then the last name. Here we have the last name first and then the first name in the last. And the same thing again repeated over here, but with a comma in between. How did we do it? We did it using the concatenate function. Now, how to use the concatenate function? Well, it's very easy. Just type in is equal to and type in concatenate, and it shows in this drop down. You can double click it, and before doing that, let's read. Joins several text strings into one text string. So let me double click it. So it says text1, so select your text1. It says comma and select your text2, so this is my text2, and this way you can select up to around 256 items, and then close the bracket, and we see that the first and the last name is joined here together. In case you want to have a space in between, how do you do that? Again, is equal to concatenate and select your first text, put a comma, open the quotes mark, give a space, close the quotes mark, press a comma, and then select the next text, close the bracket, and you'll have a space in between. See? Same way, we can have a comma in between along. So select your first text, comma, open quotes, place a comma there, open quotes, close quotes, then a comma, and choose your next text, which is again close the bracket, and you get it like this. To have the last name listed as first name, you can have it in this manner, concatenate. Now select the last name as the text1, and then you can have, let's have a space in between, makes it much better, and comma, and select the first name. So this way you can have the last name coming first ahead of the first name. Is equal to concatenate, select the last name, comma, open quotes, put a comma there, close quotes, comma, and select the first name. See, we can even put in different elements instead of comma. The way you put in a comma there, you can put in something else. So this is how you use concatenate in Excel. See you in the next video.